Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, exercise number 1. Question number 9. The given problem is the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Literacy rate in percentage 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to 95. Number of cities 3, 10, 11, 8, 3. Here for this problem we need to find mean. So here we are using three methods, that is direct mean method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Now first method, that is direct mean method. Direct mean method, we know the formula mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. Fi means respective class frequencies and xi we know that is class marks. xi equal L plus U by 2 we can take, and sigma fi means sum of the frequencies. This all we need to take. Already I took the table. In the table literacy rate in percentage, number of cities, class marks, xi equal L plus U by 2, fi xi I took in the table. Now class intervals 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to 95. Number of cities we are taking as a frequency, it is 3, 10, 11, 8, 3. Now we need to find class marks xi. Xi equal L plus U by 2 means 45 plus 55 by 2. 45 plus 55 is 100 by 2. 2 ones are 250 is 100. Next class interval, lower limit is 55, upper limit is 65 by 2. 55 plus 65 is 120 by 2. 2 ones are 260 is 120, that is 60. Next one is 65 is lower limit, upper limit is 75 by 2. 65 plus 75 is 140 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 270 is 140. Next 75 to 85 class interval, 75 plus 85 by 2. 75 plus 85 is 160 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2, 80 is 160. Last class interval 85 to 95. 85 is lower limit and upper limit is 95 by 2. 85 plus 95 is 180 by 2. 2 ones are 290 is 180. Now we got it here. Class marks we got it. Now we can find fi and xi. Product we need to take frequency and class marks. 3 into 50 is 150. Frequency is 10 and xi is 60. 10 into 60 is 600. 11 into 70 is 770. 8 into 80 is 640. Last one is 3 into 90 is 270. Now you can take sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi means fi xi is all we need to add. 150 plus 600 plus 770 plus 640 plus 270. This adding means we are getting 2430 we are getting. Now here sigma fi all frequencies 3 plus 10 plus 11 plus 8 plus 3. We are adding means we are getting 35. Now here you can take sigma fi xi equal 2430. sigma fi equal, sigma fi value we got is 35. Main x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi formula, we know that one. So sigma fi xi 2430 by sigma fi value 35. 5 table time cancelling. 5 7 are 35. 5 4 are 20. 4 remained. 5 8 are 40. 3 remained. 5 6 are 30. Again 7 table time cancelling. 7 1 are 7. 7 6 are 42. Means 42. 42 means 6 remained. 7 9 are 63. 63 means 3 remained. Point keeping means 0. 7 4 are 28. Means 2 remained. Already we kept the point means 0. 7 2 are 14. Means we got the answer is 69.42. So in direct mean method, the mean is 69.42. We use the formula mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. Second method, that is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method, mean formula mean x bar equal a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi is the formula. A means we are assuming in the class mark one value we are assuming, that is A. Fi means frequencies. Di equal deviations. Xi minus A, we need to use the formula. Sigma fi means sum of the frequencies. Already I took the table. In the table, class intervals, frequency as usual in the data only given, that only I took. Class marks, Di, Fi, Di. This is extra I took in the table. Now we need to find class mark. Class mark, how we have to get? Average of lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit, what is there? 45 plus 55 by 2. 45 plus 55 is 100 by 2. 2 ones are 250 is 100. Now we can find h value you have to find. It is easy to calculation. So h means the difference between any two successive class intervals, lower limits, either upper limit we need to take. First two class intervals I am taking 55 minus 45. 55 minus 45 is 10 we are getting. So h value we got it here 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. So now we got the, easily we got the class marks. Now we can find Di. Di equal Xi minus A. Xi means class marks only. A value we need to assume. So assumed value we need to find. So highest frequency is 11. That beside class class mark I am taking as A. 70 I am taking as A. Now you can take it here. Xi is 50 minus A is 70. That equals minus 20. 50 minus 70 is minus 20. Xi is 60 minus A is 70. Minus 10. Xi is 70 minus A is 70. 70 minus 70 is 0. Next one is Xi is 80 minus A is 70. 80 minus 70 is 10. 90 minus 70. Xi is 90, A is 70. That is 20. Now we can find Fi and Di. Product we need to take. 3 into minus 20. Minus 60. 10 into minus 10. Minus 100. 11 into 0. 0. 8 into 10. 80. 3 into 20. 3 into 20. 60. So this both are minus, we can adding means we are getting minus 60 minus 100 is minus 160 plus here this both are plus, you can add 80 plus 40 60 is 140. So minus 160 plus 140, that is sigma Fi Di equal minus 20 we are getting, minus 20. Next we can find out sigma Fi. Sigma Fi value 3 plus 10 plus 11 plus 8 plus 3, that is 35. 35. So sigma fi dA equal minus 20, sigma fi equal 35. A value how much we assumed here? 70 we assumed. 70 you can take. So mean x bar equal A plus sigma fi dA by sigma fi. A value is 70 plus sigma fi dA value minus 20 by 35. 5 table time cancelling, 5 7 the 35, 5 4 the 20. Means 70 minus 4 by 7. Now with 7 I am dividing. 7 5 is 35, 5 remain 0, 7 7 is 49, 1 remain, all I took the 5 means 0, 1 the. Means 70.0571. So up to 2 decimal places I am taking 70 minus 0.58. So 70 minus 0.58 is we are subtracting, means we are getting 69.42 we are getting. So in assumed mean method we got the answer is 69.42. So we use the formula mean x bar equal A plus sigma fi dA by sigma fi is the formula. Now third method, that is step deviation method. In step deviation method we know the formula mean x bar equal A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h is the formula. A means in class mark we are assuming that value. Fi means frequency of the respective class intervals. Ui equal, here we know the formula xi minus A by h. H value we need to find. So h equal height of the class. So height of the class, how we have to find? The difference between any two successive class intervals, lower limits, either upper limits we need to take. So here first two class intervals I am taking 55 and 45, lower limits. 55 minus 45 is 10. H value we got it here 10. Now already I took the table. In the table class intervals, frequency, as usual data only I written, and class marks. Ui equal xi minus A by h. Fi ui I took in extra. Now we need to find xi's. Class marks we need to find. So first class mark is 45 plus 55. L is 45 lower limit. U is 55 upper limit by 2. So 45 plus 55 is 100 by 2. 2 ones are 250 is 100. So this class mark 2 we can add height of the class. We are getting the next class mark. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. Now ui equal xi minus A by h. Xi means class marks only. H value also we know that is 10. A means A value in the class mark we can assume. So highest frequency is 11. That beside class mark only I am taking as A. So here 70 I am taking as A. So xi is 50 minus A value is 70 by h value is 10. 50 minus 70 is minus 20 by 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are, means minus 2 we can get. Next xi value is 60 minus A value is 70 by h value is 10. So 60 minus 70 minus 10 by 10. 10 ones are 10 ones are, that equal minus 1. Next class mark is 70 minus A value is 70 by 10. 70 minus 70 is 0 by 10. 0 by 10 value is 0. Next xi value is 80 minus A value is 70 by 10. 80 minus 70 is 10 by 10. 10 ones are 10 ones are, that equal 1. Last class mark is 90 minus A value is 70 by h value is 10. 90 minus 70 is 20 by 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are, that equal 2 we can get. Now fi ui's we need to multiply. So fi means 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Next fi is 10. Ui is minus 1. 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. Fi is 11, Ui is 0. 11 into 0 is 0. Fi is 8, Ui is 1. 8 into 1 is 8. Fi is 3, Ui is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Now you can take Fi Ui, sigma Fi Ui value we need to find. So sigma Fi Ui means minus 6 minus 10. Minus 6 minus 10 is minus 16 we are getting. Here this both are plus. 8 plus 6 that is 14 plus 14. Minus 16 plus 14 is minus 2. Now here sigma Fi equal this all frequencies we need to add. 3 plus 10 plus 11 plus 8 plus 3. We are adding means we are getting 35. Now we need to take the formula. In formula we are substituting means we are getting the answer. So sigma Fi Ui equal sigma Fi Ui value we got it minus 2. Sigma Fi value is 35. A value how much we assumed here? 70 we assumed. Mean x bar equal a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into h. A value is 70 plus sigma Fi Ui. Sigma Fi Ui value is minus 2 by sigma Fi 35 into h value is 10. 2 table time cancelling. 2 7s are 2 2s are. Means 70 minus plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 by 7. That equals 70 minus 4 by 7. 4 by 7 value approximately we are getting 0.58. So 70 minus 0.58 is 69.42. In step deviation method, the mean is 69.42. We use the formula mean x bar equal a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into h is the formula. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you.